Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, get ready to embark on a mind-bending journey into the fascinating world of wave-particle duality, one of the most profound concepts in quantum physics, all in just 1 minute. In the early 20th century, scientists made a perplexing discovery. When studying the behavior of subatomic particles in light, they found something truly astonishing. Enter the famous double-slit experiment, revealing a puzzling revelation: particles, such as electrons or photons of light, can behave both like waves and particles. Picture this: when fired through the slits, particles form an interference pattern, much like waves do when they meet. However, when we observe them, they behave like individual particles, hitting the screen in distinct spots. This mind-boggling phenomenon is known as wave-particle duality. It means that particles and waves are not fundamentally separate entities, but rather, they possess dual natures. Hold on to your hats. Wave-particle duality revolutionized our understanding of the quantum world, challenging classical physics and paving the way for quantum mechanics. Today, this mind-bending concept plays a crucial role in various technologies, like electron microscopes and quantum computing. From the mysterious double-slit experiment to its profound implications, wave-particle duality leaves us in awe of the complex and captivating nature of the quantum realm. And that concludes our 1-minute journey through the fascinating world of wave-particle duality. We hope you enjoyed this brief exploration. Stay curious and keep learning.